Hey guys, this is Evan from Easy Origami, and today I'll be teaching you how to cut a pentagon from a square. All you need to do is prepare a single square sheet of paper. And once you've prepared your paper, then we're going to start with our square with the white side up. And then we're going to fold in half horizontally. So take this bottom edge and fold it up to the top edge. Align the corners and the edges, then make your crease. And now we're going to fold over this right edge and align it with the bottom folded edge here. So we're going to do that by lifting up the top layer of paper and pulling it down towards the bottom of the model. Then you want to start at the bottom right corner and work your way over to the left, aligning both of those edges. And once they're both aligned, then we're not going to crease all the way. We just want to make a small reference crease in the middle of this white edge here, and then you can unfold. And now we're going to make another reference crease by folding down this top edge and aligning it with the bottom edge here. So again, we're going to lift up the top layer of paper and pull it down until it's aligned with the bottom edge. Once both edges are aligned, then we're not going to crease all the way across. This time we want to make a small pinch mark along this white folded edge here, right where it intersects with that small reference crease that we made before. So we're just introducing a small reference crease, and once you've done that, then you can unfold. And now we're going to fold over the bottom left corner and align it with the crease intersection that I've marked here. So we're going to do that by lifting up the left side of the model and pulling it over to the right. And once the bottom left corner is aligned with that crease intersection, then you can make your crease. And now we're going to fold over this diagonal edge and align it with the left edge of the model here. So we're going to do that by pulling the top layers of paper over to the left. And then we want to start at the bottom of the model and work our way up until both of those colored edges are aligned. And then you can crease sharply through all layers. And then we're going to fold up this bottom edge and align it with the folded edge that we just made. So this time we're going to lift up the layers from the bottom and pull them over to the left. Then we want to start at the bottom and work our way up until both folded edges are completely aligned. Just like this, and then you can make your crease. And then we're going to turn the model over. And now we're going to fold over this right edge and align it with the left edge here. So we're going to do that by lifting up all of the layers on the right and pulling them over to the left. And then we want to start at the bottom of the model and work our way up until both of those edges are completely aligned. Just like this, and then you can make your crease. Then you can slightly rotate the model. Then I want you to notice this diagonal edge here. And then we want to cut the paper through all layers along that edge. Just like this, and then you can put the top layers of paper aside. Then you can unfold the triangular piece that's left behind. And now you've created your pentagon. I hope you've enjoyed this video tutorial on how to cut a pentagon from a square. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And of course, subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.